Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to open an encrypted container that's been encrypted with Veracrypt. First I'll just explain what an encrypted container is. First, just imagine you have a hard drive or a USB. Think of that as a table. On the table you could put things on the table and take them off, and you can see what's on the table really easy. But with an encrypted container, you could think of it like a treasure box. You can set your treasure box on the table and move it off and on, but without a key to the treasure box, you don't know what's inside. So I'll be showing you how to get inside the treasure box. But just remember, your USB and typical hard drive is the table, and the encrypted container is the treasure box. And it's also possible to put the treasure box on top of the table, meaning your encrypted container is on the USB. So our first step is downloading the software. The software is called Veracrypt, and the way to download it is you go to any web browser, in the URL type download Veracrypt. So I'm using Chrome, and any browser will work. The top result here is www.veracrypt.fr. So I'll click that one, and you can see here on the top we're going to choose downloads, and we'll choose our operating system. So I'm using Windows, so I'll need to choose Windows. Mac OS is another common operating system. So for Windows, installer for Windows 8 and later, we're going to choose that one. So you want to choose, see here it says .exe. You want to choose that for Windows, and if you're installing it on Mac, it's going to be one that says .dmg. If you are a Mac user, you may need to update Fuse. That's located in the system preferences, and if you can't find it, you could find it on Mac's downloading website. So you can see here, it's downloading. We're going to wait for that to finish and then install the software. So once it's finished downloading, we'll just click here to open it. It'll ask if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. Answer yes. Choose your language, select English. Accept the terms of Veracrypt and click Next. Make sure Install is selected and click Next. Make sure the Add Veracrypt icon to desktop is checked and click Install. Then we'll wait for it to install. This will take about a minute. So once Veracrypt is installed, push Finish. This asks you if you want a tutorial. You could select No because all will be doing the tutorial. Disable Windows Fast Startup. You can select No. Next we'll go to the desktop and select Veracrypt. And it'll be this screen you see. So first we need to select a drive, and then select your container. So right now, remember the treasure box. We're selecting the treasure box to open the treasure box. So push Select File, and then navigate to your encrypted container. It might be on your USB, and that would be on the left hand side of File Explorer right here. So my encrypted container is called Test, and yours might be different. So select it and push Open, and then Mount. It'll ask you for the password. Just type in your password and push Enter. This could take about 10 seconds. And once it's mounted, you'll see it on here. Now the treasure box is open and we can get into it. So I'll just double click here, and you can see these are the stuff inside the encrypted container. There's nothing inside this one. Now here's how to close the treasure box. We'll make sure the encrypted container is selected here and push Dismount. Now we can no longer get inside the encrypted container.